Let's practice spelling the ch and j sounds. All of these words on the board end with ch sound. We need to fill in the correct sound for the ch. Let's look at du. What comes before the ch sound? You're right, it's a short vowel. Look at the rule. How should we spell it? If it has a short vowel, we are going to write T, C, H. Why do you suppose this word is capitalized? Good, it's a proper noun. It names a specific group of people from a country called the Netherlands. Let's go to the next word. What comes before the CH sound in this word? It's a consonant. How should we spell it? Even though it has a short vowel sound, we're looking at the letter that comes right before the ch sound. And here it is the N. So we are going to put a CH. Let's look at the next one. I have another short vowel sound. So you're right, we're going to put TCH. How do you think we're going to spell inch? There's a consonant. So that means I'm only going to put CH. Let's look at peach. And this is a long vowel sound. So I am once again going to write CH. If you notice so far, I wrote a TCH following a short vowel sound. Everything else was a CH. Continue doing these as a practice on your own. If you need more time, you can hit pause. Let's take a look at the j sound. We are going to use the j in the final position. All of these words on the board end with j. We will need to fill in the correct spelling for j. We can use DGE or GE. Let's look at the first word, grudge. It is a short vowel. So we are going to write DGE. Let's look at the next word. This is a long vowel U. So this word is going to say huge. How are we going to spell huge? You're right, this is just a GE because of that long vowel sound. Let's look at the next word, bulge. There's a consonant before the j sound. So again, we're going to put only GE. On hinge, we do have a short vowel. However, we're looking at the letter closest to the j sound, the one right before j, and that is an n, a consonant. So once again, we're going to put GE. Notice, I only put a DGE when I had a short vowel. All the rest of the rules had GE. You can complete the rest of the words on your own for practice. On your paper, please be sure that you have worksheet number 118. The words on the left are the j sound. You are going to write DGE or GE. The words on the right are the ch sound. You are going to write a TCH or a CH. If you read the directions up at the top, it gives you the spelling rules that we've worked on the last couple of lessons. It says DGE or TCH are after a short vowel. Anything else is a GE or CH. The back of your paper is the exact same.